Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify and Razorpay, providing a full guide to integrate these powerful platforms. This integration is fantastic for offering your customers a seamless and secure payment experience. You can accept various payment methods, including credit and debit cards, UPI, net banking, and popular digital wallets. This setup helps streamline your checkout process, making it easier for customers to complete purchases and boosting your business efficiency. First, you'll need to set up your Razorpay account. If you don't have one, create a new business account on their website. Ensure you complete the Know Your Customer or KIC verification by submitting all necessary business documents. Once your account is active, log into your Razorpay dashboard. Go to the Settings section, find API keys, and generate a new set. Carefully copy both the API key ID and the API key secret, as these are crucial for the next steps. Now, let's integrate Razorpay with your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Settings, then select Payments. Look for the option to add a provider or choose third-party provider. In the search bar, type Razorpay and select it from the results. You may need to install the Razorpay app. Once prompted, paste the API key ID and API key secret you obtained from your Razorpay dashboard into the respective fields and activate the gateway. Before going live, it's vital to test the integration. In your Razorpay account settings, enable test mode. Then, go to your Shopify store and make a small test purchase, trying out different payment methods like cards or UPI. After the transaction, check your Razorpay dashboard to confirm the payment was successfully recorded in test mode. Once you're satisfied everything works perfectly, disable test mode in Razorpay. Your Shopify store is now ready to accept live payments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.